In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut your tiles to go around this 4-inch waste pipe of the toilet. Place your tile in front of the pipe. Using a pencil, scribe around the back of the tile the shape of the pipe. Once you've got this, you can then start to transfer them measurements onto the front of the tile. Place it on something soft on the floor, then using a 4-inch grinder with a diamond tip blade, start to cut out small lines from the edge of the tile up to your pencil mark. Then you can start to grind into the tile from one edge up to your grind marked line. Then take a pair of tile snips and start to snip away the cut tile. Once you've cut all of these off, then take the edge of the grinder and start to smoothen off around your cut. Once you've done this, you can then do the same on the opposite tile, as both cut tiles will mould around your pipe. Using the same method, score the face of the tile to the shape of the round pipe, then grind into the surface of it, breaking these away with your tile snips. And then once again, clear up the edges with the edge of the diamond tip blade. Now I've cut around the pipe and it fits, the next stage is to cut a small round hole into the tile where the 15mm water pipe enters from the wall. Mark this up on your tile, then using a tile hole cutter, drill through the tile to cut the hole out. Check this with a dry rub first to see if it fits, and if you're happy with it, then butter the back of your wall up with tile adhesive, spread it out with the comb and place your tiles into position, making sure that you've got gaps along the bottom and around the sides for grout and silicone. Once these are dry, the tiles can be grouted, then the pipes can be sealed around the cuts of the tiles with a waterproof silicone. Then you can start to refit your toilet, lining it back up with the 4-inch waste pipe, sliding a plastic pan connector at the back of the toilet over the existing pipe. Then start to connect the flexi hose onto your 15mm water feed. Screw this on by hand using 2 spanners. Tighten the compression nut up so the water feed is connected. Then seal around the bottom of the toilet where it meets the tile using silicone sealant. So that's how you remove and refit your toilet to enable you to cut and fix the tiles behind the pipework. For more information about the tiles or the bathroom suite I've been using, check out their website, tilemountain.co.uk.